so I've painted these tables, well, at least the part that is gonna show. The other part, y'all, I know it look a mess, but it's gonna be beautiful, hopefully, when I get done. So I just wanted you to see that I painted the table silver, and I used this Rust-Oleum Bright Coat Metallic Finish spray paint that I got from, I think I got it from Home Depot. That's where I got it from. So y'all, I'm gonna work on the rest of the project, so stay tuned. Okay, Glam fam, so I'm through with the side of the box. I'm gonna clean it off, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the top of the box, so stay tuned. Okay, Glam fam, so I decided to go ahead and put these Chanel signs on here or whatever. If you remember, I made some of these for a mirror, and this is going to be a table to kind of go with it. So I'm gonna see how this turns out, y'all. Okay, Glam fam, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the Chanel little links or whatever on here. There's some spaces I'm gonna need to cover, but I can easily do that with some glue. And that's what I'm gonna do. But what I'm have to do, and I'm scared to do this, but I'm going to have to, and that's glue these down on the mirror. So let's get to gluing, y'all. I'm hoping it'll work. So I can't go on the other side of it, so I'm just gonna have to do it like this. And I'm trying to put a very, very light amount on there. I don't want to use any heavy duty glue or E6000 or anything like that because I do want to reuse this mirror again. So I'm hoping that it'll, it'll stick without the E6000. So what I think I'm gonna have to do is only glue down the ones that are on the mirror, actually on the mirror. And actually I did, still got some that is still a little wet, but I'm just gonna go over it later with the glue, the glitter and everything. I just want to make sure that I got these flat down on the mirror. Okay, so y'all, I think it's gonna work. Yeah, I think it's gonna work. So that's a good thing because I didn't know what I was gonna have to do to get them down. So the ones that are up on top, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue these down, but I'm gonna come back later, and if you see how it's, because like I said, y'all, this stuff is not perfect, it's not even or anything, but I was gonna glue this down. So once the glitter that's in here, once it dries, then I'll go back and glue everything back down. But right now, I just want to make sure that I'm able to glue it down to the point where it's going to stay if it's standing up. So that's the important part here. Okay, so once the glitter is dry and everything, then I'll go back in and glue everything back down. But right now, I'm going to work on the top of the mirror. Okay, Glam fam, so what we're going to do is go ahead and place our mirrors on the top so we can put it in the place of where we want it. Now, I need to use this little piece of board because of this space in between. So all I'm going to do is just glue it on there. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put this mirror on. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and glue the the bigger ones, the bigger mirrors. Now you can use E6000 if you like. You can use any heavy duty glue, y'all. I'm tearing up stuff. Any heavy duty glue that you like. I'm just gonna use this hot glue and call it a day. And there's no reason why it should fall off because it's on the top, so that's the good thing. You shouldn't have no problems with it falling off, right, y'all? Okay, so like I said, y'all, it gets heavy once it's the mirrors on here. It gets so heavy, y'all. So it's kind of heavy. So you know what? I'm not gonna add the legs on until I get downstairs because I'm gonna have to take this downstairs and then I'll take the legs downstairs and I'll go ahead and glue it on top and see how that works out. But so far I'm liking this table. I just want to see how it looks when I think I'm gonna put some bar stuff on. I don't know because I took my bar out to the garage so I can have room to make something else. I just wanted something a little different. I'm not throwing it away. I just wanted something in here a little different. So y'all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this downstairs, clean it off, add the bottom parts to it, and see how it turns out. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so this is the end result of the table. I am loving it. It is so pretty. Y'all, I was challenged to make a table, and I couldn't buy anything to make it. I had to use what I already had, and all the items that I used, I actually already had. As a matter of fact, I took it off some old DIYs and used it to make this new DIY. So y'all, the stuff that I have on the table, I actually got it from at Home Goods, and where else? Hobby Lobby. And I made the little coasters and stuff like that, but I didn't buy anything to make the table. I only used what I had, and I bought some of the stuff on top of the table. So the table is to go with the mirror, this mirror, y'all. That's why I did, because I had some of those little C's left. So that's why I did it. So y'all, if y'all like this DIY, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Glam DIYs.